A maritime career isn't only about your salary. It's about what happens between contracts. Most seafarers know the challenge. Contracts end, and suddenly, you're left wondering when the next job will come. But sailing under the Belgian flag changes that. I want to share something most seafarers never realize until it's too late. Belgium offers one of the most structured unemployment protection systems in all of Europe. If you're working on a Belgian-flagged vessel, your unemployment benefits are managed by Belgium's RVA, or ONEM. That's the National Employment Office. But here's the key. Your benefits depend on where you live. Let's break it down. First, if you're living in Belgium and your contract ends involuntarily, not by your choice, you apply for benefits at a union or public office. In most cases, you'll receive about 65% of your previous salary to start, slowly decreasing over time, totally in line with Belgian law. Now, what if you live in another EU country? Say you're based in Poland, Croatia, Spain, or Romania. Even though you worked and paid social security in Belgium, your home country pays your unemployment benefit. When your contract finishes, you request a U1 document from Belgium. It proves your Belgian sea service. You submit this to your local unemployment office, and your work days are counted as if you worked at home. That means you're covered, no matter where your next steps take you in the EU. If you live outside the EU, I want to be transparent, unemployment benefits usually don't apply. These systems require you to stay available on the local labor market, which just isn't possible if you're based elsewhere. But while you're on contract, you're always protected under the Maritime Labor Convention, including medical care, repatriation, and ship owner liability. What do you need to qualify? Your contract must end involuntarily, and you need a minimum amount of sea service. Under 36, you need 312 days. Between 36 and 50, it's 468 days. Over 50, 624 days. Plus, you have to be fit for work. Illness or injury has its own protection system. And here's a tip from experience. When you leave a Belgian-flagged vessel, always request your C4 document. You'll need it whether you're applying in Belgium or claiming your U1 elsewhere. Now, I'm excited to announce we're recruiting officers for a brand new Belgian-flagged LNG, LPG, and offshore project. We're looking for third officers. No experience needed, just a valid TOC and the right attitude. Second officers with at least 2 years, preferably with LNG, LPG, or offshore experience. And chief officers with strong leadership and safety focus. French language skills are a must for these roles. So, if you want to work on modern vessels, sail under a European flag, and protect your career, even between contracts, now's your chance. Belgian flag, real protection, real future.